Here we are, another episode of Tips and Tricks with Mrs. Romito. Today I'm going to be going over viewing feedback. Let's talk first about where you're going to find your feedback. Now, depending on your teacher, your course, and the assignment, there are different locations to find your feedback. One option is if it's a Turnitin assignment, you can look at Turnitin. Some teachers put the feedback directly into Turnitin. Another option for both Turnitin and non-Turnitin assignments is the learning management system. Now, for my courses, I do not use Turnitin. I want you to get used to just going to one location, the learning management system, and to view your feedback there. Now, you can either view it in the activity stream or in your gradebook. Both locations will have the same information. Once you have clicked on the assignment that you want to view feedback for, you want to read both the information just in your LMS that's written directly in your feedback, but then you also want to look and see if there are any linked attached documents or linked attached videos, and it will just be like a hyperlink, a little blue hyperlink, just like you're used to clicking on any web page to view that information. Now keep in mind that the linked documents in your LMS feedback will have your most detailed feedback and provide the most hands-on teaching from me. That's where I will review information that you need to review. Maybe something that you didn't quite understand, I will point you back to the learning management system or the module or to a video and a timestamp of where you can relearn that information. Make sure you read through all information. For my course, again, it's typically blue and highlighted yellow. Watch any attached videos, which review your assignments. If I attach a video, that will be very detailed, and pay attention to any areas where you need to review module information again and relearn that information. And then, like always, if you have any questions, attend office hours, reach out via email, give a phone call, and your instructors will be happy to review feedback with you.